Welcome to my class. Introduction. Class standard 11-12. Subject are mathematics first paper. Chapter name differentiation. Exercise 9F lecture 6. Today's lesson to explain the derivative of inverse function. Derivative of inverse function. If y is a function of x, then ddx of y is the derivative of y with respect to x. Again, if x is the inverse function of y, then dy of x is the derivative of x with respect to y. Okay, here was dx of y, as y is a function of x, but here is x is the inverse function of y. So here will be dy of x, that is derivative of x with respect to y. That's mean if x is the inverse function of y, then y is equal to f of x. After derivative this, here will be dx of y. This equal to, we can write 1 divided by dy of x, because after calculate this part, we'll get this, and none of the derivative is 0. Now derivative of inverse circular functions, here sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x, sec inverse x, cosec inverse x. Okay, one number, let y equal to sin inverse x. Then x is equal to sin y. From here we can write this. Now derivative of this with respect to y. So left side will be dy of x, right side will be cos y. And we know derivative of sin this equal to cos angle y, so here will be y. After derivating with respect to this angle, as here is x, y, so with respect to y, you have to derivative this. Clear? And this equal to, we can write square root over 1 minus sin square y. We know this. And as here is sin y, this equal to x. So sin square y mean x square, because sin y equal to x. Clear? But we have to find dx of y. Therefore dx of y, this equal to 1 divided by dy of x, that means this part, and this equal to here square root over 1 minus x square. So here will be square root over 1 minus x square. Thus dx sin inverse x, this equal to 1 divided by square root over 1 minus x square. Similarly, we can find dx cos inverse x, dx tan inverse x, and etc. That's mean dx cos inverse x, this equal to minus 1 divided by square root over 1 minus x square. Same, but sign will be opposite. Dx tan inverse x, this equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. And dx of cos inverse x will this equal to also same, but here will be only minus. Dx sec inverse x, this equal to 1 divided by square root over x into square root over x square minus 1. And ddx of cosec inverse x, this also equal to this, but sign will be negative. You have to remember this. Otherwise this chapter will be very difficult for you. So you have to remember or understand or memorized. Clear? For easy to calculate, if the math are given is in the form square root over a square minus x square, that's mean constant square minus variable square, then we have to let x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta, because after putting x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta, then this makes an formula. Okay, and we have to let x is equal to constant into sin theta or constant into cos theta. As here is a is constant, so we have to take here a, but if here is 2 or 4 or 5, we have to take here 2 or 4 or 5. Clear? But square root over a square plus x square, that's mean variable constant square plus variable square, this equal to, we can write x is equal to a tan theta or a cot theta, because after putting x is equal to a tan theta or cot theta, this makes an formula. Clear? Similarly, in this form we have to let x is equal to x sec theta or a cosec theta, or in this form we have to take x is equal to a cos 2 theta. Clear? You have to capture this. Some necessary formulae: tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. From trigonometry you know this, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy, this is equal to tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Sin inverse 2x square root over 1 minus x square, this is equal to 2 sin inverse x. And this formula is very important. Tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square, this is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Or sin inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square, this also equal to 2 tan inverse x. Or cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, this equal to, we can write 2 tan inverse x. Okay, or 2 tan inverse x, this equal to, we can write this or this or this. Or tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square, this equal to sin inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square, or we can write this or we can write this, no problem. Okay, problem 1a, find the derivatives of square root over sin inverse x to the power 5 with respect to x. At first we have to let y is equal to this, or we can derivative directly, no problem. Therefore dx of y, we have to derivative with respect to x, so here will be x. Okay, and we know derivative of square root over x, this is equal to 1 divided by 2 root x. This formula is used here, as here is sin inverse x, so here will be 2 square root over sin inverse x to the power 5. As here is not x, so we have to derivative this again, that's mean ddx of sin inverse x to the power 5. This part same, and ddx sin inverse x, this equal to, we know 1 divided by square root over 1 minus x square. As here is x to the power 5, so here will be x to the power 5 whole square, and ddx of x to the power 5. That's mean is the form of ddx of x to the power n. ddx of x to the power n mean n x to the power n minus 1. That's mean this line n x to the power n minus 1. So here will be 5 x to the power 5 minus 1. And this part fixed, and here will be x to the power 5 into 2 mean 10. And this equal to, we can write 5x to the power 5 minus 1 mean 4, and here this part same. So this is the required answer. That's mean dx of square root of sin inverse x to the power 5, this equal to this. Clear everyone? To be find the derivatives of x square sin inverse 1 minus x with respect to x. As x square is a function, also sin inverse 1 minus x is another function. So this is the form of uv. U is a function of x, P is a function of x. Clear? At first, I have to let this y equal to this. Therefore, d dx of y this equal to u d dx of v. V means this plus u v means sin inverse 1 minus x fixed d dx of u mean x square. Here used this formula. Clear everyone? X square fixed sin inverse 1 minus x mean 1 divided by square root over 1 minus x whole square. As here is not only x, so we have to derivative this again. So derivative of 1 minus x mean 0 minus 1, as derivative of constant means 0, and derivative of x with respect to x, this equal to 1. And here this part fixed, and derivative of x square mean 2x. That's mean nx to the power n minus 1. 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 mean 1. So no need to write here 1. Clear? Now here will be minus x square divided by square root over 1 minus 1 minus 2x plus x square. So after multiplying minus inside with inside the bracket, we'll get this 1 cut, and here is fixed. As this is a plus, so we have to take this into at first, and this will be next part. That's mean 2x sin inverse 1 minus x minus x square by square root over 2x minus x square. This is the required answer. That's mean the dx of this given math, this equal to this. This is the required answer. Clear? Problem 3a. Find the derivatives of tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x with respect to x. Let y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x. This equal to, we can write tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus 1 into x. For making formula, we have to take here 1. As a result, this make this formula. That's mean tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. As here is x mean 1, y mean x. So this equal to, we can write this. Clear everyone? But tan inverse 1 mean pi by 4, because 1 mean tan pi by 4. So tan inverse tan can omit. So here will be only pi by 4 minus tan inverse x. Therefore d dx of y this equal to d dx of pi by 4. That's mean constant term minus d dx of tan inverse x. As here is x, that's mean x is a variable, but this is a constant. So derivative of constant is equal to 0. And tan inverse x, derivative of tan inverse x mean 1 by 1 plus x square. So this equal to minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. This is the required answer. Clear everyone? 4a. Find the derivatives of sin inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square with respect to x. Let y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, and x is equal to tan theta. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse x. Therefore y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. From trigonometry we know 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, this equal to cos 2 theta. That's mean sin inverse cos 2 theta. But we have to vanish cos. For vanishing cos, we have to convert cos into sin, as here is given sin inverse. So this equal to, we can write sin pi by 2 minus 2 theta, because this equal to cos 2 theta. Why? Pi by 2 mean number of right angle even or odd? Odd. So sin will be cos. Pi by 2 is quadrant, first quadrant all positive, so plus with meshing, no problem, and angle. That's when sin of pi by 2 minus 2 theta, this equal to this. Clear? So sin inverse sin this equal to 1. That's mean we can banish this. Here will be only pi by 2 minus 2 theta. But theta is equal to tan inverse x. So this equal to, we can write pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. Therefore dx this equal to d dx pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x, and as this is a constant, so here will be 0, and derivative of constant into function, this equal to, we can write constant into derivative of function, as derivative of function here is tan inverse x, so tan inverse x, this equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square, and finally we'll get this. Therefore this is the required answer. Clear everyone? Problem 4e, find the derivatives of tan inverse 4 root x divided by 1 minus 4x with respect to x. Let y is equal to this, and this equal to, we can write 2 into 2 root x divided by 1 minus 2 root x whole square, because 2 root x whole square, this equal to, we can write 4 into x. So for making formula, this equal to, we can write like this, so no problem, because we know tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square, this equal to, we can write 2 tan inverse x, as here x is equal to 2 root x, so we can write here 2 root x. This formula is used here. Clear? Therefore d dx of y, this equal to d dx 2 tan inverse 2 root x, this equal to, we can write, we can take 2 out of derivative, no problem, 2, and derivative of tan inverse x means 1 divided by 1 plus x square, as here x is equal to 2 root x, so here will be 2 root x whole square, and the dx of 2 root x, because here is not only x, here is 2 root x, so we have to derivative this again. Okay, this equal to 2 into 1 means 2 divided by 1 plus 4x, and here we can take 2 out of derivative, that's mean 2 into derivative of root x, 2 into derivative of root x mean 1 by 2 root x, 2 to cut, so this equal to 2 divided by root x into 1 plus 4x. This is the required answer. Clear? Problem 5a, find the derivatives of cos inverse 2x square root over 1 minus x square with respect to x. Let y is equal to this and x is equal to sine theta, or we can let cos theta, no problem. Therefore theta is equal to sine inverse x. Now putting x is equal to sine theta, will get y equal to cos inverse 2 sine theta into square root over 1 minus sine square theta. This equal to, we can write cos inverse 2 sine theta. Here will be 1 minus sine square theta mean cos square theta, so square root over cos square theta will be only cos theta, and we know 2 sine a cos a, this equal to sine 2a, that's mean cos inverse sine 2a mean theta, as here is given theta, so we have to write here theta, that is cos inverse sine 2 theta. This equal to cos inverse cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta, because here is given cos inverse x, so sine convert into cos. Clear? This equal to this, but theta is equal to sine inverse x, so this equal to pi by 2 minus 2 sine inverse x. Therefore derivative of this equal to, we can write 0 minus 2 into 1 divided by square root over 1 minus x square. This equal to minus 2 divided by square root over 1 minus x square. This is the required answer. Clear everyone? 6a, find the derivatives of tan inverse 1 divided by square root over x square minus 1 with respect to x. Almost all the math are same. Okay, let y is equal to this part, and here x is equal to sec theta, because at first here is given variable then constant, so we have to take sec theta or cosec theta, and here will be sec square theta minus 1 mean tan square theta. Clear? We know this formula, and from here we can write theta is equal to sec inverse x. Therefore y is equal to, we can write tan inverse 1 divided by square root over sec square theta minus 1. Square root over sec square theta minus 1 means tan square theta, and tan square theta, that's means square and square root will be only tan theta. And 1 divided by tan theta, this is equal to cot theta. This equal to, we can write tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, and finally we can write this equal to pi by 2 minus theta, but theta is equal to sec inverse x. Therefore derivative of y with respect to x, this equal to pi by 2 minus sec inverse x, this equal to 0 minus 1 divided by x square root over x square minus 1, because the dx of sec inverse x, this equal to this, and this equal to, you will get minus 1 divided by x square root over x square minus 1. Therefore this is the required answer. Clear? Problem 7a, not 6a. Find the derivatives of tan inverse sec x plus tan x with respect to x. Let y is equal to this. Now calculate. Sec mean 1 by cos, tan means sin by cos. LCM will be cos x, so here it will be 1 plus sin x. But 1 plus sin x, this equal to 1 mean sin square x plus cos square x, and sin only x, as here is only x, so only x we can write 2 into x by 2. So sin 2x by 2, that means sin 2a, this is equal to 2 sin a cos a, not e square. Here will be 2 sin a cos a. Clear? And 1 is equal to sin square a plus cos square a. So this equal to, we can write sin a mean x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square, because a square plus b square plus 2ab, here square cut. Okay, and cos x, this equal to, we can write cos 2 into x by 2, and cos 2 into x by 2 mean cos 2a. Cos 2a, this equal to, we can write cos square a minus sin square a. From trigonometry we know this formula. Clear everyone? But here is again, I repeat, here is missing, here square cut, only will be 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So this equal to, we can write cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square, or sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square as plus, so we can write anyone first, no problem. And here will be a square minus b square, so a plus b into a minus b. Now this and this cut, so here will be only cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, and here cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Clear? Now take common cos x by 2. Next line, here tan inverse cos x by 2 into 1 plus tan x by 2, because here will be sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. Sin x by 2 mean x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 mean tan x by 2. Here also same. So cos x by 2, cos x by 2 cut. This equal to, we can write tan inverse 1 plus tan x by 2 divided by 1 minus tan x by 2. But 1 is equal to what? 1 is equal to pi by 10 pi by 4. Clear? Now consider this as x and this as y. That's mean tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. This equal to, we can write tan x plus y. That's mean tan inverse tan x mean pi by 4 plus x by 2. So this from it we will get this equal to this. Therefore derivative of this with respect to x, this equal to derivative of this with respect to x, as this is constant, so here will be 0, and derivative of x mean 1 and here 2, so this equal to, we can write 1 by 2. So this is the required answer. Clear? So exercise 9f, that will be homework. I tried to explain different kinds of math. Okay, and everybody will try to finish this exercise within 30 September, not today's date. That will be 30 September 2020, 10:07 p.m. Okay, and submit the copy in the group. And any one of you face problem, you can share. No problem, I will help. Thank you. Today after this, goodbye.